Coming through here makes me think of the summer every time. But at the beginning there were no bridges, there were no roads on these islands. You had to take a ferry to come to Kirkøy, the church island. Now you really can see the bare rock face that is so typical for this area. Coming down to Berlingsand or the Herd Harbour with the local general store and the amazing Mother Høyås, always open, and you could get anything if you just had the time to wait a little bit. The store was in the building on the right hand side, and she was living in the second floor, and she was really an institution. And now down to the closest beach, the Hazel Cove, or in Norwegian, Haslevika. With the promontory where we all used to jump from. Looking in, you can see Berlingsand, earlier also a stopping place for a ferry. Most of the old places you see here was not there when I was young. This is Shipholmen, or the ship islet, where we had the parties sometimes. The larger island in the background is called Kjerringholmen, or the Old Woman Islet. The small skerry down on the left is called the Coffin. I remember going with water skis on the inside of this skerry with a boat on the outside. Luckily, it went well. The beach with the pier used to belong to an orphanage that used this as a summer camp. The most amazing thing is that even though the weather was bad on the mainland, it was mostly very nice out here on the islands. So it was, and still is, as perfect as it can be. But now a lot more crowded than it was when I was young.